Welcome to Unisellergy. In this video, we will understand how to manage shipments using the Shipments module. Step 1. Open Shipments module. From the left side menu, click on the Shipment icon. By default, the Shipments tab will open. At the top, you will see 3 tabs: Shipments, Couriers, Warehouses. Shipments Tab Overview. At the top of the Shipments page, you will see summary cards including all shipments, pending, pickup, scheduled, in transit, delivered, cancelled. These cards give you a quick overview of shipment status. You can also filter shipments using the 30, 60, 90 days or all options. You can select a custom date range using the date selector. On the right side, you will see a status drop-down filter. From here, you can filter shipments by all pending, pickup, scheduled, in transit, cancelled, delivered, failed. Select the required status to view specific shipment records. Shipment Listing Table. The shipment table displays detailed shipment information including shipment details, order ID, shipment ID AWB number, customer details, customer name, contact number, email, delivery details, complete shipping address, order amount, courier status, download label option. If needed, you can download the shipping label using the download icon. Couriers tab. Now click on the Couriers tab. Here, you can manage courier partners connected to your account. The table displays courier name, courier warehouse count, status, actions. You can see which couriers are active. Click on Add Warehouse to assign a warehouse to a courier. Warehouses tab. Next, click on the Warehouses tab. This section allows you to manage pickup locations. Here you can see warehouse name, address, PIN code, assigned couriers, status, actions. You can filter warehouses by PIN code courier. Click Apply after selecting filters. Click Reset to clear filters. You can also click Add Warehouse to create a new warehouse location. Final summary. Using the Shipments module in Unisellergy, you can monitor shipment status, filter shipments by date and status, download shipping labels, manage courier partners, add and manage warehouses. This module helps you manage your complete delivery process efficiently. Thank you for using Unisellergy.